Welcome. My name is Lee Rosen. I'm the managing editor of Inland360.com. This video will give you an idea how to submit information to Inland360.com directly. You've been upgraded to an event manager. That means there's a special form that you'll fill out to allow you to submit your events directly to the website. First, you'll need to register with whatever your username and password are. In this case, we'll use a particular username and password that I have that matches the input that you'll be using. Once you get to this page, you need to go to this line up at the top and type in WP-ADMIN. That will take you to this page, Profile, and you can add anything to this that you would like to, but the page that we're concerned about is called Events, which is at the top left. There are two ways to add new events. One is right under Events, and then one is beside the large word Events over here. After clicking on Add a New Event, you'll come to this page. So let's say you're an experienced event coordinator and planner, so you've got a press release all ready to go. So let's just copy it into this big blank space here, and then use that to populate the rest of the page. Headline, let's just grab a little bit of that and put it up here in the title of the event. I think that'll work. Now let's go over here where it says existing venues and select a venue. Clearwater River Casino and Event Center. What that does is not only give us the venue, but down here on the page it'll populate the address. Make sure we say this right. Okay. Now, you also, for search purposes, need to put in the city and the state, just the two-letter postal abbreviation. Go to the categories box and click on music. Then if you want to, but you don't need to, you can put some keywords in this box here to help with internet searches. The key box to fill out from our point of view is over here under Event Data. This asks, well, what day is this going to be on? In this case, it's May 5th. You can type it in like that, or you can use the little calendar and click on May 5th. It's at 7:30 p.m. It's important that you don't put any periods in the P and the M, after the P and the M, just 7:30 p.m. And there's no end time, so we'll take that out. Now we've got the address already, and it doesn't repeat. If it did repeat, say this was a play that happened on a Thursday, Friday, and Saturday 2 weeks in a row. Then you'd click Repeats. You'd click Daily, even though it isn't daily. And then you would click on weekdays, and you'd click Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And so you would, then the calendar would show every Friday and Saturday and Sunday, this show would happen at 7:30 p.m. Now, you would also put a stop date on that, since it isn't going to go on forever. So it would run until the 14th or the 13th. And we'll just say at 11:59 p.m. If it isn't a specific date, if it's going to repeat for 6 weeks, you could just say here that it would repeat 6 times. So let's stop all that. Unclick this. Does not repeat. There's your event. Now, let's go back up here. We've already got the headline, so we'll take that out. We don't need to know when you told us about it, so we'll take out the date line. We've got the date already, and the place. We don't know that it's at the Pend Oreille Pavilion. We haven't put that in anywhere. So let's stop it there. Showtime we know, but ticket prices we don't know. Or where tickets can be purchased, or how to order them online. Or that this is a show for guests over the age of 18. We'll leave all that. And this talks about King and who he is. We'll leave all that. And let's just leave all this information. People will be interested to know this. This is longer than a traditional calendar item, but that's okay. That's the way this is supposed to work. If you have a picture of B.B. King, you can add that, or a video. If you've got some of his, an audio of his music, you can add that. Click on these icons and they'll walk you through how to upload that information. You can use all of these icons here to format the item. From bold and italic to cross out to centering the type. You can do all sorts of things here. Play with that. When you're done, you hit publish. And you can see what your event looks like. And that's how you do it. Thanks a lot.